No one lives in like that. Every culture says to respect our family. Each and every person plays an important role. Without mother, our day-to-day actions cannot be done. Without father, running our family every month or every year cannot be done. So, without an elder, a younger sibling can clarify their doubts. So, every family person plays an important role. And by the old persons, we may know the old history, culture, and of course, they'll say some superstitions. It's another side. Everything they'll say is very correct, and they'll say everything important. So, raise their hands who don't like their parents most. Who don't like their parents the most. Who don't like their parents most. Yes, I was one of them. I think you can't understand my question clearly. I just mentioned only like, not respect and love. I will not like my parents. I'll respect them and I'll love them. And I hope everyone to do the same. So again I'll ask the question. Who here don't like their parents? Still everyone? Still everyone? Okay, it's your wish, it depends on you. So everything will be like that. It's your wish, whether you can love, respect, or whether you can like. But in my case, I will not like them. I treat them as my gods. Even in Sanskrit, we have some slokas. Matrideva Bhava, Pitrudeva Bhava. Of course, there are some more extensions which helps us to give respect to our teachers and even to our guests. So these two slokas are the main sources that says us to respect our parents, isn't it? Is it? So Matro means Ma, Devo means God, Bhava. So this sloka says that mother equals to the God, and Pitru means father, Devo means God. So it says that father equals to God. So instead of doing rituals to the idols, just give respect to your parents. It gives a lot of in Telugu will say punyam. Not only will get punyam by doing rituals, we'll get it also by respecting our parents. It can also consider a teaching. Who here, when they wake up in the morning, touch the feet of their parents? Touch the feet of their parents. Who here are doing that thing? Raise front. Frankly, I am saying I too will not touch. Frankly, I am saying I too will not touch. So, but the persons who have raised their hand for this question, a hands up. Because as they are giving respect to the parents, indirectly or directly, they are giving respect directly to the God. Who here like the God, they must give respect to the parents, not only doing rituals to the idols. Hope you have got my point. Coming to the occasion, why family fest is important. Already Sujata Madam had told the importance of the family fest and why it is important. So, indirectly or directly, the family fest program helps the students to show off their talent. As you can see now, three sisters have performed the classical dance. Indirectly, they have shown off the classical talent. And after some time, after some performances, all the students will watch the parents speak and they will perform one ritual here. So most of the people will give the surprises made by themselves. There, the students' talent can be shown off. Like that, even in singing, dancing, or making the prizes, family must indirectly let the people to show off their respect, their gratitude to the parents, and their talent towards everything. So hope you have got my point, and thanks for giving such a wonderful opportunity to me.